Hello, welcome back. So for this lecture, all I want you to do is download this disc and this, and there's also one more, and this gasket. Download those two parts. I have included them in the resource for this lecture. Download them and save it under your valve project folder. So that should complete all the parts we need for that valve. And we are going to be working with it again when we get to the assembly, but I just want you to have all the parts for now. And in total, you should have a total of 7 parts. You should have the body, the bolts, the body, the cover, the disc, the gasket, the seat, and the spring. And once you have all those parts, make sure you have them saved in your valve project folder. And if you don't have any of those parts, look in the lectures we've covered. In some of those lectures, I've included them in the resources. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask, and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.